Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about 3 marks question. First 3 questions. Today we are discussing about remaining questions. This is the fourth question. Here asking find x value. Find x value. The given condition is x cube 133 plus minus 2x square 314 is equal to minus x 447. According to given matrix, to find the x. Observing left hand side, what is the symbol here given? Plus symbol means we are adding corresponding elements. Addition of two matrices, then condition is by adding the corresponding elements. So see the solution. Given x cube 1 3 3 plus minus 2x square 3 1 4 is equal to minus x 4 4 7. So now left hand side, the given two matrices nothing but addition of two matrices. Then condition is by adding the corresponding elements. By adding the corresponding elements. First element plus first element, like that you can add in x cube plus 6 minus 2x square is minus 2x square. Second element plus second element 1 plus 3. Second row first element plus first element 3 plus 1. Second row second element plus second element 3 plus 4 is equal to minus x 4 4 7. Now simplify the left hand side values. X cube minus 2x square 1 plus 3 that value is 4. 3 plus 1 that value is 4. 3 plus 4 that value is 7 is equal to minus x 4 4 7. Now two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal, but they are also find the x. That's why total focus on only x variable. That's why first element is equal to first element. X cube minus 2x square is equal to minus x. Remaining elements are equal. 4 is equal to 4, 4 is equal to 4, 7 is equal to 7. The numbers no need to write because of that asking find x. So that's why I take only x variable is equal to x variable. Now minus x take left hand side, x cube minus 2x square minus x you can take left hand side, we get the positive x is equal to 0. In these three terms x is a common taking outside, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. In these three terms x is a common, that's why take out x. So x we are taking common outside, remaining left on the x square minus 2x plus 1. Next after that x into x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. How to write x minus 1 whole square is nothing but observe here. X minus 1 whole square nothing but a minus b whole square. A taken as x, b taken as y. A square is x square minus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 1 plus b square is 1 square is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. So x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole square. That's why I am taken in place of x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This one can be written as x minus 1 whole square. This one can be written as x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Taking square root of both square root get cancelled. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 take outside. X is equal to 1. Finally we got x minus 1 is a 0 or 1. This is required for this solution. So do you understand how to find x value? X is equal to 0 or 1. First those two matrices we are adding, means by adding the corresponding elements, finally you get one matrix. After that equate the two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are equal. So minus x we are taking left hand side, we get positive x. After that in these three terms x we are taking common outside. Left of the value is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole square 0 0. Here product of A, B is equal to condition is A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Thus I am taking x is equal to 0 over x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Taking square root on both the sides, square root get cancelled. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Here how many values we got x values? One is a 0, another one is 1. So do you understand, dear students, how to find the x values? Next we are discussing about fifth question. Next we are discussing about fifth question. Fifth one is if capital A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 0 comma B is equal to the given matrix minus 1 0 4 5 1 minus 3 and C is equal to 4 minus 1 1 6 2 minus 1. Find matrix X. Find matrix X. Find matrix X such that given condition is 2A minus 3B minus X is equal to C. Observe dear students, in this question we are given A matrix and B matrix and C matrix. Finally, we need to calculate only X matrix. Whenever find the X matrix means X variable take one side, remaining A and B and C matrix we are taking one side. But here also condition given 2A minus 3B minus X is equal to C. Find that only X matrix, that's why X matrix we are taking one side, remaining values we are taking one side like that. So first we are taking given condition is 2A minus 3B minus X is equal to C. There has to find X matrix, that's why minus X I am taking right hand side plus C I am taking left hand side. 2A minus 3B, so plus C take this side, minus C is equal to minus X take right hand side, you get positive X. Everyone observing this one? In this question find X matrix, that's why X matrix only X matrix I am taking one side, remaining ABC matrix I am taking one side. That's why minus X matrix I am taking right hand side, plus I am taking left hand side, get one. Now substituting the A matrix, B matrix and C matrix. So X is equal to 2 into substitute A matrix is 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 0, after that minus 3B minus 3 into B matrix is minus 1 0 4 5 1 minus 3 minus substitute C matrix is 4 minus 1 1 6 2 minus 1. Simplify this matrix. Here 2 is the scalar element, that's why each element product with the 2. Now 2 2 is 4, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 0 0. Now here also 3 is a scalar element, that's why each element product with 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into minus 3 that one is minus 7. Now this matrix write as it is 4 minus 1 1 6 2 minus 1. Now subtracting the corresponding elements, directly we get subtracting corresponding elements, first element minus first element minus first element, like that do. 4 here first element is 4, minus of minus 3 is plus 3, here minus 4. Next second element minus 2 minus 0, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next third element 6 minus 12 minus 1. Next second row first element minus 4, here minus 15, here first element is minus 6, second row, second element 2, minus, second matrix is 3, here minus 2, second row, third element here 0, minus here third element is minus 6 to minus 9 is plus 9, negative, minus 1, minus of minus 1 is plus 1, is equal to, simplify this one, minus 4 plus 4 we cancel, we only get 3, and minus 2 plus 1 that value is minus 1, 6 minus 1 that value is minus 6, minus 6 minus 1 that value is minus 7. Next is minus 4 minus 50 that value is minus 19, minus 19 minus 6 is minus 25. Next is minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, left out value is minus 3. Next, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This is the required solution for this question. Finally, we got the X matrix. Dear students, observe this question. In this question, they given A matrix and B matrix and C matrix. Find X. That's why finally we are calculating X matrix. What are the given condition is 2A minus 3B minus X is equal to C. So in this condition, we have to find the X matrix. That's why I am X taking right hand side. Minus X we can take this side plus X, plus we can take left hand side, we get is minus. After that, substituting A matrix and B matrix. After that, we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Finally, we got the X matrix is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 7 minus 25 minus 3. And this is required for this solution. Do you understand, dear students? If you have any doubt is there, please contact me. I will explain in 1 second. So next we are explaining 6th question in this last exercise. Very easy. Sixth question. 3 marks question, last question. Find A value, B value, C value. Given condition is given that 4 into A 2 3 4 5 minus 6 7 minus 8 9 minus 5 into 3 2 1 B 6 minus 4 9 minus 8 7 is equal to 13 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2C 1. Observe dear students, here find the ABC value. Find ABC value, they given matrices. First of all, here 4 is a scalar element, here 5 is a scalar element. Whenever scalar element they given, each element product with that particular scalar element. First of all, what are the given matrices? Write solution given 4 into A 2 3 4 5 minus 6 7 minus 8 9 minus 5 into 3 2 1 B 6 minus 4 9 minus 8 7 is equal to 13 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2C 1. Here 4 is a scalar element, that's why each number product with 4 into A 4A 4 2 is 8 4 3 is 12 4 4 is 16 4 5 is 20 4 into minus 6 that one is minus 24 4 7 is 28 4 into minus 8 is 32 4 into 9 is 36 minus 5 is a scalar element, each number product with 5 5 3 is 15 5 2 is 10 5 into 1 is 5 5 into B is 5B 5 into 6 is 30 5 into minus 1 that value is 20 5 9 is 45 5 8 is minus 40 5 7 is 35 is equal to 13 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2c 1. So you understand this step? This each element product with 4. This matrix each element product with 5. Finally you get this matrix. Observe here. What is the symbol here? Negative symbol means subtraction of those two matrices. Then condition is we are subtracting the corresponding elements. So subtracting corresponding means first element minus first element, second element minus second element, third element minus third element. Second row, first element minus first element, second row, second element minus second element, second row, third element minus into minus 20 is plus 20. Third row, first element minus first element 28 minus 45. Third row, second element minus second element minus 32 minus into minus 40 is plus 40. Third row, third element is 36 minus 35. 36 minus 35 is equal to 13 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2c 1. So now simplify those elements. 4a minus 15 does not change. 8 minus 10 that value is minus 2. 12 minus 5 that value is 7. This one also does not change. 16 minus 5b. 20 minus this is 30. 20 minus 30 is that value is minus 5. Minus 24 plus 20 that value is minus 4. 28 minus 45 that value is minus 17. Minus 32 plus 48 that value is 8. 36 minus 35 value is 1 is equal to 30 minus 2 7 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 17 2c is equal to 1. Observing here, those two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, but total focus on only a value, b value, c value. First observing here, equating. Where is a? First row, first element means first element is equal to first element. What is the first element here? 4a minus 15. 4a minus 15 is equal to what is the first element here? 13. Next is b, where it is there? Second row, first column. 16 minus b is equal to second row, first element is 6. That's why 16 minus 5b is equal to 6. Clear, students? Don't confuse. So now those two matrices are equal matrices, then corresponding elements are equal. First element is equal to first element, second element is equal to second element, third element is equal to third element. We can do because of all elements are equal. But here this element, this element, this one, this one, all elements are equal. But this element is equal to this element. Since we can understand in the a value, this one is equal to 6. Next one is 2c is equal to 8. 2c is equal to 8 or 8 is equal to 2c. So now find the a value and b value and c value. Minus 15 we can take right hand side. 4a is equal to 13. Minus 15 we can take that side plus 15. 4 not b, that is a. 4a is equal to 13 plus 15, that is 28. A is equal to 4, you can take denominator 28 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 7 ja. So a value got 7. So like that we can find out b value. So now 16 plus 6 we can take this side, minus 6 is equal to minus 5 we can take that side, plus 5b. 16 minus 6 is that value is 10 equal to 5b. b is equal to 10 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 2. So b value got 2. Next. So c is equal to 2 we can take denominator 8 by 2. C is equal to 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. C is equal to 4. So finally we got A, B, C value. First we have to each element product with 4. After that we get this matrix. Each element product with 5 we get this matrix. After that we are subtracting the corresponding elements. After that those two matrices are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. First element is equal to first element. Second element is equal to second element. Third element. Because of no need to write each every element. Because of in this question they are asking A value, B value, C value. So left hand side where it is the A, first element is equal to here. first term we can do. B where it is the second row, first column is there, that's why this element is equal to this element, but left hand side C is not there. So observing right hand side. Right hand side where it is a 2C. C here is the third row. That's why it plays a particular place. 2C is equal to what is the particular place here? 8. 2C is equal to 8. Finally you got A value, B value, C value. Right conclusion. A is equal to 7, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 4. This is the required solution for this question. So dear students, I think everyone understanding those questions. Tomorrow we have discussing about the second exercise. First of all, we are discussing about multiplication of matrices. First you are understanding definition, easily solving the multiplication of two matrices. Thank you dear students.